The 3M Littmann brand is synonymous with exceptional auscultation, comfort, design, and variety. The Cardiology 3 is our most popular non-electronic stethoscope among physicians, including cardiologists. It features our tunable diaphragm technology that lets you switch between the bell mode for low frequencies and diaphragm mode for high frequencies, simply by changing the pressure of the chest piece on the patient. The versatile two-sided chest piece is built with two tunable diaphragms, the larger size for adults and the smaller size for pediatric patients, carotid assessments, and maneuvering around bandages. You can easily convert it to a traditional open bell by removing the diaphragm on the pediatric side and installing the non-chill sleeve. The dual lumen tubing is actually two tubes in one, designed to eliminate rubbing noises. Our soft seal ear tips with our patented snap-tight feature provide an excellent acoustic seal and comfortable fit. The anatomically designed headset, angled to fit the ear canal for maximum sound transmission, can be reliably flexed 1 million times. Littmann stethoscopes. Don't miss the sounds you need to hear.